Here we come to the elevator at 14100 Southwest Freeway in Sugar Land, Texas. This one's a modernized Otis. It used to be a Series 1 from the 90s. I remember filming these elevators back in 2011, 2010. This is still Otis because... Oh, okay, I thought we got mad. Well, okay. I didn't plan on filming this. The parking garage elevator is still original, thankfully. I want to see the call button. Yeah, the call button is mad, but the inside fixtures are just regular Series 2 VR. Okay. This is known as Sugar Creek 1. Sugar Creek Place 1. And not to be confused with One Sugar Creek, which is the American Bank building, as well as the Otis Lexan that I filmed over there as well. Yeah. Yep, these used to have the regular Series 1. Interesting that they still choose to modernize, even though it's not even older Series 1. But anyways, if you guys remember watching my old video, I recorded these a long time ago. Link it in the description. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.